I just they see as many Nigerians they shout happy independent, happy independent. And I just they wonder, maybe some of you don't know the meaning of independence. Today, Nigeria is adding +1. Yes. When the Bible was talking about 1 chasing 1,000, I am very, very sure that the Bible was actually referring to Nigeria. Today, now Nigeria is adding +1. Everybody just they shout, happy independent, happy independent. Nigeria is doing well. Yeah, we can see that. The country is progressing. We are moving forward. And that is why you can see today everything just, life is good for the citizens. A lot of employment everywhere. Fair price, down low. Dollar is now $1, 1 naira. According to those people who are shouting happy independence. You see this country, we never even know what they do us. Now we the masses with big problem we will they get for the country. Now, Nigeria is adding +1 today, so it is very, very nice that we should call head-to-head statistic. Because it's just like say this country, yesterday is always better than today. That is the country you all are celebrating. A country where yesterday is better than today. A country where 2 months ago is better than this month. A country where last year is even better than this year. This is the country you guys are shouting happy independent up and down. Now let me show you Nigerian head-to-head statistic between last year independence and this year, so that you can see what have actually changed. You can see where your country is going, if your country is moving forward or your country is moving backward with speed. By this time last year, Naira was 432. Today, Naira is 1,028 Naira per $1. It's not even double, it's more than double. By this time last year, petrol was 195. Today, petrol is 600 and even more than 600 in some locations. By this time last year, bags of rice were sold at 37,000 Naira. But today, the price have reduced. Bags of cement is now sold at 45,000 Naira and even more in some locations. And despite all this high cost of commodities and prices of things, the only justice this government did, the only thing they could have did was to just add 3,000 Naira to the initial 30,000 Naira, making it 33,000 Naira minimum wage. Let me not even mention insecurity, or let me not even call the numbers of people that died between last year October till now. Because if I mention the statistics, the numbers tears go full ground. I'm not talking about people that died naturally. I'm not talking about people that died naturally. I'm talking about people that were killed by bandits, people that died through insecurity, people that were killed by unknown gunmen, people that were assassinated, people that were kidnapped, people that were raped and killed in this country due to insecurity. This is Nigeria you all are celebrating. Maybe this is only affecting only the obedience. Yes, I guess it's affecting only the obedience. And despite all this I just listed now, Nigerian youth did nothing. They all fold their hands, watching. They just hold their hand and keep on blaming, talking, nothing. But just one single celebrity died. Everywhere, Saloko. Protest everywhere. But look at the situation the country is right now. Maybe by next year, one will start chasing 2,000. That is 1 Naira will now become 2,000. That means $1 will now become 2,000 Naira. Maybe by that time, the youth will now wake up. For now, happy independent Nigerians.